In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to an invoice in Xero. A credit note lets you reduce or cancel the amount a customer owes when there's been a return, an overcharge, or a pricing adjustment. Applying it directly to the original invoice keeps your accounts receivable clean and provides a clear audit trail linking the credit to the transaction it affects. Start by going to Xero and signing in with an account that has access to sales and invoicing. If you work in multiple organizations, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed, so the credit lands against the correct customer and ledger. From the main navigation, click on Sales. Depending on your layout, this may appear under Business. The Sales area is where Xero groups quotes, invoices, and credit notes, so everything you need for this task is centralized. Next, click on Invoices. Here you can view lists such as Awaiting Payment or All. Use the search or filters to narrow down to the invoice that needs adjusting. Finding the exact invoice is important because the credit will link to this document and update its balance. Select the invoice you want to adjust to open its details. Take a moment to review the customer, dates, line items, and the outstanding amount. Confirm why the credit is needed. Perhaps an item was returned or a discount should have been applied. So the credit note you create will clearly explain the change. On the invoice page, choose Create and Apply Credit. This option starts a credit note that is automatically associated with the invoice you're viewing, so you don't have to manually match it later. It's a fast, accurate way to ensure the credit reduces the correct balance. Now fill out the credit note. Enter the credit note date, a clear reference or reason, and line details that mirror what you're correcting. For each line, check the description, quantity, unit price, account code, and tax rate to match the original treatment. You can create a full credit for the entire invoice or a partial credit for just the item or amount that changed. If helpful, add a concise explanation in the notes so anyone reviewing the account later understands exactly why the credit was issued. Attach supporting documents like a return authorization or email confirmation to strengthen your audit trail. When you're done, finalize the credit note. Xero will apply it to the invoice automatically, reduce the amount due, and show the credit on the invoice history. If it's a partial credit, the invoice will display the remaining balance. If it fully offsets the invoice, the balance will drop to zero. That's all there is to it. Your records stay accurate, your customer balance is updated, and your reporting remains tidy.